Welcome back to lesson 2 of volume. Last lesson I left you with a conundrum. I talked about the volume of an OXO cube. Now, since last lesson I have measured an OXO cube. That OXO cube is 2 centimetres length, 2 centimetres width and 2 centimetres height. What is the volume of that cube? Well, I think even one or two of you can get that one. The answer is 8. 8 what? 8 centimetres cubed. 3 measurements, therefore it is cubed. Now then, my box of 24 OXO cubes. The dimensions for this are 8 centimetres by 6 centimetres by 4 centimetres. If we calculate that, of course, we'll get the answer to be 192 centimetres cubed. There's another way of doing it, of course. We could have times the single cube volume, which is 8 centimetres cubed, by the number of cubes in this box, which, as it says on the outside, 24. So, there we go. Volume in practice. Now, back to my grandchildren and their problem with these. I've spotted there's a pattern. Number 1 box has dimensions of 4 centimetres length, width and height. It is a cube. Number 2 box has a dimension of 5 by 5 by 5. Number 3 box, I think you can guess it, is 6 by 6 by 6. Now, what I need you to do is to tell me all the way up to box number 10, not only the dimensions of them, so if I was to measure this, what would the dimensions be, but also what is the combined volume of all 10 boxes. That's your bonus. We went off on a bit of a tangent there. There's a surprise for my lessons. What we're looking at today is not only numbers in a volume, but also compound volumes. In other words, where you've got difficult shapes. Not just one cube, but a cube and a cuboid that are joined together. How do you work that out? Well, there's a clue. Pull them apart, measure each part, and then add them back together again. Quite straightforward, really. And the video clip that goes with this lesson will have explained that to you as well. Now, ladies and gents, I'm now back with volume in slightly different form, and that is volume as a liquid. Now, what I have in front of me here is a measuring jug, and I'm going to use this measuring jug to calculate the volume of a regular shape. And this regular shape actually we could work out very easy because it has regular sides of 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So the volume of this is what? 27 centimetres cubed. Okay, now if I was to put this cube into the liquid, knowing the volume on the measuring jug, I could check, because of course the volume of the liquid on the scale at the side would rise with the block inside. If I had an accurate enough measuring jug, it would tell me, I hope, that there was a rise of 27 centimetres cubed, or centilitres. This jug, the measurements are, it's a litre jug, so 200 centilitres is there. So if I put the block in, and if we look, not very scientifically, but not too bad the way I'm holding it, that's halfway between 200 and 250. That's not too shabby. I'm quite happy with that. That's an easy one. We could do the same with a jam jar or any shape we wanted. Put it in and we could work out the volume. Very helpful. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. I hope you look forward now to continuing with a little bit of your Target Your Maths and the extension activities. Thank you for watching.